Yes, hello everyone. In this segment, we will discuss about stomach. We'll discuss about stomach. So, stomach is a dilated J-shaped sac-like structure. Okay, na? Stomach is a dilated and J-shaped sac-like structure. So, do you know the location? Location exactly left upper abdominal part, just below the diaphragm, okay. So for example, so this is the esophagus. The anterior opening of esophagus is called as gullet, okay. And J-shaped structure, dilated J-shaped structure. Okay, this is the J-shaped structure. So it is called as stomach. So this is the left abdominal region. It is the right abdominal region. So left upper abdominal region. And just offside, left side, okay? And just below the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. So this is diaphragm and this is esophagus. Okay. So this is the stomach, a J-shaped sac-like structure. Okay, na? J-shaped, and also the temporarily storage of food materials and also early digestion takes place in the stomach. Okay, na? So temporarily storage of food and also early digestion process takes place in the stomach. Okay, na? So what is the storage time of nutrients? Okay, na? So nutrients stored time. Okay, na? For example, carbohydrates time in the stomach 1 to 3 hours. Okay, na? And the proteins time 3 to 4 hours. And the lipid content food materials 4 to 6 hours. Okay, na? So this is the food material stayed in the stomach. That is the duration of the time. Carbohydrates 1 to 3 hours, and the proteins 3 to 4 hours, and the lipids are 4 to 6 hours time. Okay, na? And the stomach is divided into 4 parts and 3 regions. 4 parts, 3 regions. Okay, na? Stomach has 3 zones or 3 parts. So for example, upper part cardiac stomach, okay, and the lower part pyloric stomach, and the middle part fundus, and the major part is body. This is body part. Okay, na? And the stomach opens into the small intestine. It is a proximal small intestine part. This is called as duodenum. Okay, na? So here the opening of stomach, that means the posterior opening of the esophagus is guarded by cardiac sphincter. I already told in the esophagus. Cardiac sphincter. Okay na? And the posterior part of the stomach opens into the duodenum. So it is guarded by a sphincter that is called as pyloric sphincter. What is that? Pyloric sphincter. Pyloric sphincter. Okay na? And stomach has three major parts: pyloric stomach, fundus stomach, and cardiac stomach. And it is a food storage tank. And okay na, J-shaped structure, sac-like structure. Okay na? This is primary information of stomach. Then now anatomical view of stomach. So anatomical structure చూద్దాం ఒకసారి మనం. Okay na? So this is the morphological structure, and now we will discuss about anatomical structure. Okay na? Anatomy of stomach or histology of stomach. Okay, histology of stomach. I already told what is the histology of alimentary canal. Same as it is, that is also having 4 layers, and stomach also having 4 layers. And what exactly a few differences in between the alimentary canal and stomach. So first, so the outer location. For example, this is the outer layer. So the outer layer is completely a serous layer. It is composed of simple squamous epithelial cells. That's why it is called as epithelial membrane or epithelial layer. So this is serous layer. Outermost layer is called as serous layer. So this is serous layer, and it is epithelial membrane. Completely epithelial membrane. Why? Because it is made up with the simple squamous epithelial membrane, and it is followed by the muscular layer. So muscular layer, actually in the alimentary canal histology there are 2 muscular layers. One is longitudinal, another one is circular layer. But in the stomach the additional muscular layer also present, that is oblique muscles. I will show that diagram. So here, so these are the longitudinal muscular layers. Longitudinal muscular layer, and the longitudinal muscle layer is followed by circular muscular layer. Okay, circular muscular layer. And also the additional muscular layer in the stomach, that is, this is the oblique muscles. Okay na? So these are the special oblique muscles, circular muscles, and longitudinal muscles. So these 3 are collectively called as muscular layer. Okay na? Muscular layer. Okay na? So in between the longitudinal and circular layer, a network of parasympathetic neurons are present. So this is called as Ariebeck plexus. Okay, and another one layer just behind the muscular layer, that is submucosal layer. This is submucosal layer. Submucosal layer is followed by the mucosal layer, and the innermost layer of the mucosal layer has a finger-like projections like this. So this is also epithelial layer, innermost layer also epithelial layer, innermost layer also epithelial layer, mucosa layer. Okay, na? It has also 3 sublayers. So this is muscularis mucosa, and this is lamina propria, and this is epithelial layer. Completely it is called as mucosa. Okay na? Mucosa అనుకుంటున్నమాట. Okay na? So here the layers, glands are arranged in the spaces in between the finger-like projections. The spaces in between the finger-like projections. The opening of this is the gastric gland. Opening of gastric gland is called as gastric pit. Gastric pit. And the cavity is called as gastric cavity. Cavity is called as gastric cavity. The gastric cavity. The gastric cavity contains different types of cells. For example, near the opening, there is a intercellular membranes. These cells are called as goblet cells. Goblet cells. So after goblet cells, there is another cells. These another cells are called as axanthic cells. Okay na? Axanthic cells. Okay. So the axanthic cells. So here there is a tubular-like structure in the submucosal layer. There is another cells near the tubular structure. So these are chief cells. Chief cells are peptic cells, or otherwise known as zymogen cells. And also another cells also present near the tubular region. Here these are the G cells, and these are the basal cells, and also Argentophin cells. These cells are G cells, and these cells are basal cells. And near the tubular and deeper region of the tubular region, there is a Argentophin cells. So this is section cutting view, anatomical view of stomach. Okay na? This is the gastric gland structure. And gastric gland contains different types of cells. Please note that. Okay, goblet cells, axanthic cells, chief cells, G cells, basal cells, and also Argentophin cells. So now we will discuss about what are the secretions of different types of cells in the gastric gland. Okay na? So we will discuss about next video. Okay na? Duration of the video very important. So next we will discuss about what are the secretions of gastric glands from the different types of cells. Okay na? We will discuss about next video. Okay na? Thank you.